It's new 5-pack time! Yep, the stores are now stocking the brand new Wace Cravers 5-pack. So of course I've bought one, and we're going to unbox it. So let's get straight in. Is it going to be a nice one? No, it's going to be one of those, isn't it? Oh yes, there's the art on the back, which you can never see because 5-packs are even too big for this setup. I need a camera stand that's like up here for this. In due time, I will figure something out for that, but until then, this is how we're doing it. Oh, this is so irritating. And that's how you open a 5-pack. Preserve that well because I want to cut that off. Right, the 5-pack. Let's get the cars out. So there are the cars, and I tell you what, I cannot wait to get something to cover that pin hole up because that is very irritating. Yeah, I just need to get motivated to actually get an idea for this background. If you've got any ideas for this background, let me know. I digress again. Back to the cars. So the Wace Cravers 5-pack. So of course we got some rather watery themed cars. So starting up we have the 55 Chevy in this really nice looking blue. Suits the car well. The split, I can't even see what that says. Is that Pelly? I'm not sure, but it's sort of kind of piratey themed. Come on, camera, focus on it. Nice looking. Got some nice black flames on the front and then some waves along the back there. That's really nice. More tampos on the bonnet or the hood, as well as the skull and crossbones. Well, actually, it's the skull and cross swords. Nope, I tell a lie again. It's the skull and cross surfboards. That's pretty cool. With your stripes there, really nice looking. I do like the creamy interior on this. Looks really good with this car. No light details, but we have a lot of tampo design, so yeah. And I like the fact they've gone with a chrome plastic base because we get the front grille in chrome and the rear bumper in chrome. This camera really is struggling to focus on this car. There's also a stability feature that I should probably remember to turn on. I always forget to turn on the stability feature. This is actually quite sad. Oh, there we go. That's better. Awesome. So I don't know whether to keep the focus locked or on autofocus, because when I lock it, everything looks blurry until it's up in the right place. Right. Next up, let's lock the focus on it. We have got to stay in the area now. I don't know what this actually is. Some sort of shark car. I'm sure a lot of people know what this is, but it's a sort of fancy car that I wouldn't normally buy unless it's in a 5-pack, but gives me the chance to buy it. Good use of these weird looking wheels. They work on this because it's, yeah, it looks like fins, so it works on this, being a fancy car. Nice big engine that sticks out the side, exhaust at the back, and obviously, look out, this car is hard to hold. Massive fangs, shark teeth. Interesting tribal sort of design. Tampos there. I don't know. If you're into your fancy cars, this might be one for you, but nah, that just came in the pack for me, so I'm not that interested. Car number 3 that most people probably want from the pack, the Diora 2. Sadly, no surfboards. Would be quite nice for a beach sort of Wace Cravers theme, seeing as, you know, I don't know, I think it fits, but they haven't put them on this. No light details. Yeah, nice blue. Got quite a lot of wavy sort of tampo design though. All along the back there and the roof. Down the sides. I don't know, it's alright. Yellow tint looks quite good on this. Not sure on the wheels on this one though, to be honest with you. It looks a little bit strange. But there we are. Pretty cool looking Diora. If you're a fan of the Dioras and you collect them, and there you go. You have to buy this pack now, even if you don't want the other cars in it. So yeah, right, next up, this is probably my favourite out of the pack. Or maybe it's a Chevy. Ooh, these are probably joint first, I should say. What is this? 65 Ford Ranchero. Really, really cool. Love the black and silver look. With the Surf Raider decals on there. Really, really nice silver waves. With the little stripes at the front there. Very cool. Stripes over the hood and onto the back of the pickup there. And we got these, don't know if you can see that. Oh, you can see it in the camera. That sort of ghost effect black decal. Black wave decal on the hood and the back there. That is awesome. I like that. Yeah, you can see it on the camera. That's really cool. And it sort of shines along. Does look better in person. Sort of a light blue tint. Looks pretty nice. It's not too bad on this. And your dark blue outlined wheels. Nice wheels for this casting. Yeah, really nice. And you got your hood cut out there to have a look at the very nice engine. Awesome. Right, the last car. What do we have here? The Surf Patrol. Cruffy Surf Shop. Some sort of a truck type thing. Looks like it's based off a Volkswagen with that circle there as the badge. Looks like a modernised variant of an old style Volkswagen camper, but I don't know, a bit odd. It actually does from the front. It looks like a modernised version of a camper. That's pretty neat in a way. Weird back end on it. Yeah, it looks like some sort of truck that would tow a trailer, but instead of having the trailer point, it's got a weird engine. What even is this called if it has a name? Quambi. 2005 trademark. It's quite an old casting then. I don't know. I like the really big steel wheel on the back. Strange. I'm not sure on this one. Purple and orange. Nice contrast with the yellow. Good contrasting colours. It's got a nice decal on the side with the sun in the background, but it's another one of those weird fancy castings. Yeah, don't know about that. But there we go. That is the that is the Wace Cravers 5-pack. A pretty cool pack. It's got some decent cars in it and a couple of fancy cars, but how else are they going to sell them? Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to let me know which car is your favourite and have you found this pack yet? And if you have, are you going to buy it? Or is it one you're going to miss on? So be sure to comment that down below and I hope to see you in the next video.